in December 18th of 2019.
That is true. You just read it off like it was a teleprompter in a script. Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. We were really loud in that.
So loud, and I'm so sorry. I was trying to be over your voice.
That's okay. We're vocal coaches, so we know how to project. Mm-hmm. We know how to be loud.
Without
we know how to be
straining.
We know how to be quiet. And we know how to sit right in that mix.
Oh, we know how to sit.
In that mix.
In that mix.
Hey, we're so glad you guys are with us today. Click that subscribe button for YouTube. Hit up that TikTok. Hit up that Instagram, the Facebook, and our Patreon, guys. Join us there.
Yes.
We started this thing not long ago, and we were trying to get more of you engaged there. Obviously, it helps us do what we're doing here.
Yeah.
And we get to give you more fun, creative things through that process. So it's fun.
It is fun.
Hey, you look fantastic. Look at this gold today.
Do you know, I want to
Normally we're all black and being like neutral, but you threw some flash and flavor in there.
You know, I wanted to match the hair, and I wanted to have something new for a new video, like brand new video, brand new singer, artist, all of it. So I just wanted
you're
to
just like out to impress.
I am out to impress. Are y'all impressed?
Yes, they are. Mm-hmm. I am. Cheers to
that.
Hey, where are we going today? It looks like India.
Yes. Prateek Kuhad. Correct us if we said that wrong, but this is back in... This is live from Mumbai in December 18th of 2019.
That is true. You just read it off like it was a teleprompter in a script.
Vanna White.
That's exactly what it is, Vanna. Let's turn the letter and let's start this video.
No. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a 35-minute video. Did we see this?
Oh, this is 35 minutes long.
So
it's like live.
We're gonna do part of this.
We're gonna do part of this, not all of it. Don't get mad.
We can visit the rest of it later.
We're gonna analyze one song in this, the first one. I like it already. It's cool to see a live concert in India.
Very.
I've never seen that. I've never been to India.
Let's go.
Let's. I like his pants.
I like his shirt.
All of it. Cool vibe.
5 a.m. trains.
Come on now, guy.
Broken chains.
Wow.
I called you every afternoon.
That was nice.
Very cool.
That was nice.
And the hurricane train.
He's just telling a story.
Though we never followed through.
He's so suave.
Do you have 100 words for me?
I feel like I know his influences right now.
Oh, totally.
I have 3 right now, off the top of my head.
And you couldn't even sing for me. And I keep on writing these songs over and over. And I keep getting closer to you.
Very soothing.
Yeah, I'm just
But
I'm
just
so relaxed.
Confident.
The lover's home is never
Ooh, is that cello? Cello?
That's cello.
is never known.
Just try to figure out how to say that.
No.
It's a cello. I thought you said
No. Is that a cello? Cello? I was checking myself.
I thought you said cello solo.
But you never look me in the eyes. Do you have 100 words for me? 'Cause I have only 3.
Wow, that's a good line.
Wow, that's a really good line.
Couldn't even sing for me. And I keep on writing these songs over and over. I keep getting closer to you. Do you have 100 words for me?
Wow.
'Cause I have only 3. And I couldn't
That's really sweet.
I can't wait to talk about this one. Wow. I'm blown away.
I was gonna say a thing. I'm literally blown away.
Yeah. So for one thing, he really took us to a level of just contentness.
Yeah.
You know, like watching this, I'm just very content, and I don't want to overspeak too much because I actually want to later. I really do want to watch more into this show.
100%.
To see what else he brings in with his voice. But guys, this just shows you that you don't have to be anything extreme with your voice. You just have to be you.
Exactly.
Look at how simple this song is, and it takes a song to emotionally connect with the audience, but it also takes the person to be able to emote the song.
Yes.
To connect with the audience.
I mean, that line, you have 100 words for me. I have only 3.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm going to cry saying that.
Right? It's so...
He didn't even say the 3 words, but we know what he means.
Exactly. So...
Which is what?
I love you.
I was hoping you were going to say something really...
No, my
really
gosh.
wrong.
He brought me in. He brought me in.
Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm emotional.
So I think that's just... He's awesome. He is a...
His
so
tone.
I think the influences...
Yeah, tell me.
So this is what I hear through the years of vocal study and just listening to music. Obviously, there's a John Mayer, there's an Ed Sheeran influence. I think there's a Mumford & Sons, and I think there's a Sigur Rós.
Oh, yeah. He actually might have been, I don't know his history, but he might have actually been before Ed Sheeran. I don't know, you know? It could be like, it could be more John Mayer, Jack Johnson, Jason Mraz kind of like, you know, early days of
definitely
that.
Jason Mraz, yeah.
James Taylor, like we don't really know fully, obviously we don't know him, but all those people are in the same camp, and he is as talented and as gifted as any of them.
Yeah.
Because guys, let me be honest. One of the hardest things to do in the world is to just stand there with a guitar. Obviously,
scariest thing.
Yeah,
it's
totally.
One of the scariest things.
He's got a few other players around him to enhance that a bit, but this song was really about him, his guitar, and his voice, and the lyric. And he just stood there in his simplicity with thousands of people in that space, and he casually and so eloquently just delivered that subtle, soft little lyric that pulled us in through the medium of the internet.
Yeah.
We're not even there, but I felt like I was there.
He opened his show with this. So many artists open on a high.
Well, we think he did. We don't really know. Do we?
Well, he said, "How are you doing?"
Okay.
Yeah, he was like, "How are we?" Or
no, that's a good point. So this
is great.
Carlos and I were driving into your studio today, and we were listening to John Mayer radio, which is a vibe.
Yeah, it's a vibe.
This guy's getting added to my YouTube.
Oh,
he's getting added
1,000%.
to my playlist because that's fantastic. I don't say that about everyone we watch, even in their brilliance of being a singer.
I'm so excited to learn more.
This
of him.
guy I'm into,
and I'm only gonna do it on here when we find new artists that you guys send to us.
Yeah,
I don't go and dive. I mean, I want to dive into them, yes, but I love being able to watch what you guys ask for the first time with y'all. So, any
100%.
other requests?
And I think this is an overriding beautiful thing about what we do in this space.
What is it?
Why?
That was
I'm
so
trying
shimmy.
to be more Katie.
That was so
You're so
shimmy.
like glittery. I got a shimmy to kind of
you.
like stand out next to you.
Whatever, you stand out.
No, I think this is what I love about this. What we do here is that there are amazing musicians and artists around the globe. We all live where we live, and we're a product of our own cultures and the media and the marketing that's in our present awareness.
Yeah.
And so one thing I love about the advent of like internet and social media and the world becoming smaller, you know, in the sense of we're all more aware of each other.
Yeah.
Is we now get to find people like this.
Yeah.
And it's really, really awesome. Because being 100% honest, growing up American, a lot of times we think, well, it's us and British music and that's it.
Right.
And it's just not.
And it's so like, guys, the music here is so close-minded. It just is.
It is.
Like, I love being a vocal coach. I love producing artists here, and especially up and coming artists that have an open mind. It's really hard working with a culture that sometimes has closed mind on talent, and
For sure.
we get to go overseas and go into your country and other countries and cultures and see this just incredible talent.
Yeah, I want to do a show in Mumbai because I want like Jason Catron live in Mumbai.
I'll come with you.
And wear this.
Yes, I will.
Perfect. For now, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
You are drinking fast.